How to wash your car in the winter when you maybe don't have a garage or shop, and you just want to maintain your car. Can you take it to the car wash? Sure. I mean, that's an option. But if you one of those people that don't want scratches on your car, and you want to maintain it yourself, I'm gonna give you another option you could do. This one got about 4 gallons. So 4 gallons is 2 ounces. 2 ounces. I'm using Absolute. With that Absolute, you need to shake this up like that. So I just dumped the rest. Right here I'm spraying iron remover on the wheel rims, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the rest of the wheels. Retry. I'm gonna use this for the tires. Right here I'm using a Car Pro tire cleaner. Very good product. Right now I'm just doing the initial spray to knock down the initial gunk off the tires before spraying brake buster later on the video. I got brake buster in here, and I'm using the IK E-foamer. Brake buster in here, E-foamer. You gotta change your methods when you come to these places, because you're on a time limit with the pressure washer. So what I'm doing here, I'm gonna get all 4 wheels. Not normally how I would do it at home, but sometimes you gotta adapt to the situation. And in my situation, we got winter weather, so when the weather gets a little nice, you gotta take advantage of it. So, not the prettiest way, but this is how I do it. Everybody got their own methods, so this seems to work for me. Well, what I do here when I go to these washers, I get all the wheels clean, then I do the pressure washer. I usually sometimes got a routine, but sometimes I get out of the routine. I try not to, but when you're in cold conditions, you gotta work a little fast, because then it actually doesn't feel too bad for being 38 degrees. It's actually, well, maybe I'm getting used to the cold climate, but people in cold weather areas sometimes gotta my wheel bucket, and then I'm on the rinse now. See, and I keep my rinseless one on this one, ready to go. Rinseless with a rinseless sponge. Now I start the rinse. So what I did right now, I spray more rinseless so I could, I could just glide the rinseless, just pick up all that leftover stuff. If you notice that I pressure wash, so my intention was I sprayed rinseless the first time, and then I used the pressure washer gun to knock down all the grime. Now I can safely use this sponge just to do the finishing. This is from the Rag Company. It's got soft bristles. I tend to use it on the front. It's not really grimy, but I figure just in case. But this is what I use on the front for bugs and knock off all that whatever's on the front stuck to it. And it's safe too. I normally use a rinseless drying aid, but today I'm not using it because I'm putting Geon wax on top of the already existing ceramic coating just to give it that winter protection that I want on this car. And I have the product, so I might as well use it. Always save the wheels for last. That way, even though they're clean, but you don't want to contaminate the paint. I'm just going to show you how it came out. I mean, I apologize for the camera angles, the quality of the video, but I think I'm just trying to get the point through that in the winter you can. I'm just putting away the camera. So I'm just showing you how it came out. That I know the lighting ain't the best, but I tell you what, if you want to safely clean your own car, that's how I do it. And obviously the infamous drips from the mirrors, and look at the gloss. It came out. I mean, I know people knock on the rinseless wash, but there is a time and place for it. I do like foaming it, but the results speak for themselves. I'm not even gonna say if you agree or don't agree with rinseless. It's up to you. Everybody got choices. Some people like Coca-Cola, some people like Pepsi, but I absolutely have. Look at that, the results. It knocked down all the grime. I mean, this car does have ceramic protection, so it does help. When you do this, when you it helps maintain your car. That's what I'm trying to say. And this is the wheels. Obviously, I did use the IK for foaming, and I used Brake Buster, Iron Remover, and CarPro. Look at that. I mean, wells. I did a quick one. This wasn't like, I'm taking my time and thoroughly, but it knocked off all that salt, and it already. These are hard to clean, but very clean. I mean, I'm not trying to. This is a real deal. That's just part of the, This is the real deal. Can you take it to the car wash? Absolutely. Not everybody has it in them to wash their own car in the winter. I'm just showing you that I'm gonna foam up whatever procedure works best for certain situations. But it does clean. Obviously, here in the rims, well, you saw Brake Buster, a little bit of CarPro. I went once on the initial scrub to get all that nasty stuff that was embedded on the tires, but now tires, look at it, no, nothing. And the rims came out good. I mean, obviously when you do it this method, it's not going to be perfect, but I'm not chasing perfection. I'm just chasing a quality wash that I can safely do it without embedding scratches from the car wash. But if you take it to car wash, it's fine too. I just, I detail cars. I detail my own cars, and I detail other people's cars. So, but there's some people that like washing their own cars. But yeah, when you do this method, there's gonna be minor things, but the results, I am happy with this results. And bring my own stuff. I kind of got diverted off the subject, so yeah, bring my own bucket, hot water, obviously. If you got an IK sprayer, I mean, I didn't need to bring that, but I had some leftover Brake Buster in there, so you want to bring one bucket for wash and one for the wheels. And I just overdid it with the towels, but you could do it different. I was in a rush this morning, so I kind of just threw everything in there, what I needed. And here's the spray you might want to use for a car. SUV, if you got the money to buy one of these, hey, go for it. But this is it, boys. So I hope I know the camera video might not be all that best quality, but I guess this video was just an option how you could safely wash your vehicle in the winter. And yes, and sometimes in scenarios where I have a garage, but I just wanted to do this video. But this is an option for people that don't have a garage or just, don't have a shop or whatever. This is a mobile detailer. It's good. Maybe do it this way. Obviously, you want to check if there's any rules. I mean, I never had been told anything here. I pay, bring some quarters, and I usually do the interior back at home. This is more like just doing it this way. And look at that. See, they use Mosmatic. Oh, I love that, Brian.
I wish I could put this in my garage.
Well, there you go. I made this video longer than I should, but all right. I hope you guys liked it. It was a quick maintenance wash. It wasn't the most perfect one, but I'm just showing you options how you can safely wash your own vehicle. All right. This is Karel's Garage YouTube channel. If you like this video and you enjoy it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Final results. And I'm taking it to the car wash. Not bad. Take about an hour. I mean, go faster, but there we go. Final results. You take it to the car wash.